Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, my name is Makita, and if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for sticking around with me. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my hygiene empties for the month of June. So please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off with the body washes that I went through. So first one here is the Dove mango butter and almond butter. Some people like this, some people don't, but I like it. I used it all up. It smells like real mangoes to me, so it's a good one, and it's very moisturizing. So next up, I use the Speed Stick, Lady Speed Stick. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and this one is in Exotic Bloom. It smells so good, you guys. I just think that the bottle is simple and cute. So the next body wash, which is actually a bubble bath, this one is from the Onyx Bath House, and I did got this in Walmart for I think like $3 or $4. It wasn't that bad, but it looks like a little champagne bottle. I love this stuff, you guys, and it smells so good. Really love this one, you guys. So next body wash that I went through is this Sweet Almond from Ile de France. If you love a sweet almond scent, you're gonna really enjoy this one. Now this one does leave your body feeling squeaky clean. This is like a base wash for me, and then I go in with my moisturizing body wash, but this is just a really good one. If you see these in TJ Maxx, grab them. I pay $5.99 for it, and yes, the bottle is simple and cute too. Then the last body wash that I went through is this little tiny Method body wash, and this is the Deep Detox with cucumber, seaweed, and green tea. I love the smell of this one, you guys, and I absolutely love the Method body washes. So yeah, I went through that one this month. So we're gonna move on to body scrubs for this month. So the first one that I have here is the She Coconut Oil Body Scrub. Now this one is not as exfoliating as the Tree Hut Scrub, but I really did enjoy it, and I love the smell of it. It was like a berry scent. I paid $5.99 for it, and it's a really good one, you guys. Check it out when you go to TJ Maxx. And so the next one that I have here is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Now the Dove body polishes are just not my favorite, but this one matches up with the body wash that I got from Dove, so I just use these as a pair, and it smells just like the body wash. So if you like the body wash scent, you're gonna really love this one. And like I said, these are not as exfoliating, so if you have sensitive skin, this one would be really good for you. So I also used up the Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub. This one is really gentle too. I just picked this up like maybe 3 or 4 weeks in Target, and this one was for like $4.99 or $5 something. But yeah, I really love this one. This is in the eucalyptus and spearmint, and I really like it. It's really gentle, and I've never used an Epsom salt or a salt scrub before, so I enjoyed using this one. And so the next one that I have here is the Onyx Bath House, and this is their foaming sugar scrub. This is a little one that I picked up in Walmart, and it does smell really good, you guys. This one is in the strawberry, kiwi, and apple. I really love the Onyx Bath House body scrubs, you guys. I really enjoy them, so give them a try if you see them in Walmart. And then I used up this St. Ives Acne Control Apricot Scrub. You guys know how I feel about this one. Absolutely love it. So yeah. So now we're going to move on to body butters. The first one that I have here is the Coconut from Bath and Body Works. Really love this one, you guys. And if you've been on my channel or you've been watching my channel for a while, you know how I feel about coconut scented stuff. So this one was just a beauty to use. Absolutely love it. So if you see I don't know if they have these anymore or if it was just for the sale, but if you find these, grab them. They're really good, especially the coconut scent. Love this one. The next one that I used up is the Nivea Soft. This is what it looks like. Now I really love Nivea body butters, you guys. and this one smells so good, and it's very moisturizing. Absolutely love this one, you guys. Next up, it's gonna be this Neutrogena. In this one is their the Hydro Boost Whip Body Balm. I don't like this one, you guys. Really didn't enjoy using this. I would not recommend, even though I love the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line. This one is the Whip, like I said, it's the Whip Body Balm. I'm not a fan of this one. I had just used it up because I'm not gonna waste my products, but this one I would not recommend. I also have this right here, and this is from Get Fruity. I did take all 3 out, but I wanted to share it with you guys. This is so good, you guys. I really like these. They're very tiny. I got them in TJ Maxx for $4.99, but I really enjoy using them. I'm still using them up, but yeah, I just wanted to share that one with you guys. Okay, so for toothpaste, I am using the Arm & Hammer Essential, and I don't like this one either. This is the new one. I don't like this, you guys. It's a natural toothpaste and it's really good for your teeth, but the taste of it is just gross to me. I don't like this. So if you see this one, especially, this is the 100% natural baking soda. No, it's a no for me. It just tastes horrible. I cannot get past the taste. So that's what I'm using up right now in my bathroom. And then for mouthwash this month, I used up the Swish. And this is the Colgate mouthwash, and this is in Mild Mint. I really like this one, you guys. I love the Swish from Colgate. This is my second bottle, and I absolutely enjoy using these. So, hey, you guys. Okay, so on my face, I used up the Andulu Naturals, and this is 1000 Roses, and this is their cleansing foam. Absolutely love this. I am using this right now in my bathroom. I have very little left in it, so it's an empty for me this month. So I also used up this Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is what it looks like. I did get this one in TJ Maxx, but the price is all gone. I didn't like this one. It didn't foam. I feel like it didn't do anything for my skin, really. It says for sensitive skin, so I guess if you have sensitive skin, this is a good one, but I really didn't care for it, and I would not repurchase. So I also used up this First Aid Beauty, and this is their sleep mask. This one I really absolutely enjoy. I already repurchased, and I'm using the second one right now. This is a very good moisturizer, you guys. Really like this. I got this in TJ Maxx for $14.99, but it's worth every penny, you guys. If you see these and you are in the market for a good moisturizer, this is a good one to check out. Okay guys, so just an honorable mention, I did grab this scalp massager, and you guys, this is such a good buy. I absolutely love this, you guys. I'm using it. I use it all the time now when I'm washing my hair. I did pick it up in Target for $4.99, but I really enjoy using this one, you guys, and I love the color too. It's that pink color. I really love it. Give this one a try. I think they have some that vibrates, but this one is just the manual one, and I do enjoy it a lot. So yeah, this was one of my favorite purchase of the month of June, and I absolutely love it. So I also finished my Olly Sleep Aid. Now this one is in extra strength, and it says a boost for the ultimate sleep. This is so true. I love this stuff, you guys. I had really bad insomnia. It's hard for me to go to sleep sometime, and I was talking about it in one of my videos, and my subscriber told me pick it up, and she was so right. I absolutely love it. It puts you to sleep, but when you wake up in the morning, you will not feel drowsy. You will feel ready for the day. So I absolutely love this, and I will repurchase this one. It's a little pricey at $14, I think, but it's just worth it, you guys. If you have trouble falling asleep, try this one. You might like it too. So, and they are gummies, and they are good for like a month. I think it's a month use. So yeah, I really love this one, and I would definitely recommend. So I did use up a few masks. This one is it's a vegan mask. I got it in Walmart. It says kiwi, and then the brand it just says vegan on it. This is what it looks like. This is a face mask and I really love it. It's really juicy and I absolutely love the smell. So it's just smells like spa. So I really love this one and I enjoy using it. And so for ear mask this month, I used up this Hair Food, and this is avocado and argan oil ear mask, and it says smoothing. So it says dye free, paraben free, and sulfate free. So this is what it looks like. This leaves my hair feeling so soft, you guys. Absolutely love this one. If you see these in Walmart, grab them. And then from the Dollar Tree, I picked up this Suave, and it's their almond and shea butter, and it says with 100% almond and shea butter. So this is what it looks like. This one also leave my hair pretty soft. I enjoy using it, and yeah, really love these little ear masks. I love to give these a try. These are just my go-tos. And then my favorite pads, my go-to pads, these are from the L brand. Add 42 pads with wings. This is just my favorite, you guys. I absolutely love this brand. They're very clean, dye free, all kinds of free. Love this. If you see these, try them. They have tampons, they have panty liners, they have so much stuff, you guys, but it's just my favorite all natural feminine napkins, and I enjoy using them a lot. And then one miscellaneous that I have to give a shout out, I did pick up a detachable shower head this month, and this is just such a good investment. Once you buy one of these, you guys, you will never go back to just regular shower heads. I really love it. This one had so many different speeds. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just a good one, you guys. I picked it up in TJ Maxx and I paid $19.99 for it, but the brand is Shower Care. That's the brand right there. But this is just a really good this is a really good shower head. I quite enjoy using it. One of my favorite investments in the month of June. So pick you one up, you guys, and thank me later. I'm just gonna quickly go through the candles that I went through this month. So these are all from Bath and Body Works. The first one is Love, and this is a rose scented candle. The throw on it is okay. It's not the best, but it's all right for the bedroom. Also used up the Black Cherry Merlot. Love this one, you guys. If you love cherry scent, you would really love this one. Also, because I'm a big fan of cherry scent, this one is Firecracker Pop. Love this one, you guys. Really love this one. And then this one right here is one of my boyfriend's favorite. It's Strawberry Pound Cake. And like I said, all these are from Bath and Body Works. And then the last one I burnt this month is Wild Berry Jam Donut. I think the packaging on that is so pretty. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one, guys.